My name is Matthew Lafferty. I'm the Printing Services Supervisor at Colton Joint Unified School District. Working with ImageSource has been more of a partnership, really, a collaboration. ImageSource really listened to what we wanted to do and what I wanted to do specifically as far as specialty work and wide format stuff and making it easier for us to do this. So having them there as a partner to come in and give us recommendations based on what I needed was super helpful. And they were able to find the right machines, find the right layout, and then from there, they didn't just leave me hanging. They came in, they said, all right, you need help with this, call this person. You need help with this, we'll be there. You know, we can give you demos, you can visit other sites. So they have all this knowledge and years in the business working with school districts, working with commercial businesses. So they've come in and shared that knowledge with us. Those years of experience you can't get. You know, there's a lot of other companies that come in and that might offer the same equipment or something similar, but they're new to the game. They don't understand what it's like to work with a school district. They don't know the pitfalls and the processes. So having that backing and that research that they've done and skill level, that helps us, teaches me where to go, what I need to look out for. So it's been a really cool collaboration, me learning from them, them learning from us, and it gets to kind of grow us both.